Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel, and today I have a very special treat. I'm going to do a Pike Place Market food and walking tour. Now, Pike Place Market is known as the soul of Seattle, and it is near and dear to my heart because I am from Seattle and I've lived here for over 20 years, so I've been here many times. So I have lots of food ideas to share. And just a little background on Pike Place Market. It is the longest running farmers market in the nation. It's been here since 1907. So there's so much to enjoy here, so let's go. Without further ado, check it out. All right, first stop is get some coffee, no doubt. So I went to Ghost Alley Espresso and got myself a flat white. And so Ghost Alley, yeah, the reason it's called that is because actually Pike Place Market is known as being haunted, and particularly there is a certain ghost that haunts this alley, and that would be Arthur Goodwin. He was one of the first developers and designers of the Pike Place Market. So that's the myth on that. And also when I was got my espresso, he gave me some bubble gum because we are right next to the gum.
Oh wait, wrong person.
That guy. Alright, there's Ghost Alley Espresso. Don't miss out on Gum Wall if you come to Pike Place. However, you may want to save it till after the food tour. I'm starting off my day with some pastries from Pirosky, and I've never actually been here before. It does have a really good reputation, so I'm trying it along with you guys. So let's go check it out.
Hey.
Oh, I'm good. He's definitely in the mood for the food. Rhubarb. Alright, I got a good view out here to enjoy my Pirosky, and just to sum up that they did have savory, sweet, and vegetarian. I went with too sweet because I have a sweet tooth in the morning. So chocolate hazelnut, can't recommend it enough. It's very rich and dense, the taste, and the hazelnut really puts it over the edge and gives it that kick that just makes it spectacular. So definitely great. And a nice compliment is the rhubarb. Whole different, you know, it's lighter, even the dough is lighter, and with that rhubarb it's a lot more of a subtle taste. So with that hazelnut chocolate, it's a perfect compliment. So can't recommend this enough. 2 thumbs up for Pirosky. So here we have what's known as the original Starbucks. However, it actually, the original one was a couple blocks down, but this is the longest running Starbucks. It's been there since 1971. But you got to be up for a line to get in.
Oh wait, hold on.
There you go. Beecher's Handmade cheese is another landmark at Pike Place Market. You get to actually watch them making it. And let's go check it out. All right, definitely don't miss stopping at Beecher's and getting their mac and cheese. It is delicious. They have a salmon flavor as well. I just had the traditional basic cheese with spices. Yummy! Great way to breakfast of champions. All right, when you first get here, one of the first things you notice, this is Rachael the pig. She's actually a piggy bank, and the money that All right, folks, you just got in on that is the famous fish throwing tradition at Pike Place Market. Whenever anyone buys fish, they do a throw the fish, and it's quite the scene here. Wow, halibut is my favorite fish.
Got a smaller 24-hour box there.
Holy halibut.
Depending on what you want to check it, we can carry it on.
All right, Washington State provides more cherries than any other state in the U.S. and it's particularly known for Rainier cherries. I can't recommend enough if you come here to get some Rainier cherries. And this is what they look like. So these are the gold and red. Those are Rainier. And they are usually more expensive than the Bing. So yeah, don't miss out on the Rainier cherries if you come to the Pike Place Market. This piano player, he's been here for almost 50 years. It's amazing. I'm going to get some of this lavender apple cider. Remember what I said about Seattle, Washington has a lot of lavender fields, so I'm always sampling lavender stuff. So I decided on the lavender flavored cider. It's not, the cherry was a little bit too sweet, and it's just the perfect balance with the lavender. So now we're going to take this with us, have our drink ready, and have some chowder. All right, there it is. Waiting in line for Pike Place Chowder. It is award-winning. A lot of people say it's the best in Seattle, even the best in the United States. So let's go test it out and see. All right, so I just got the market chowder, and there it is. Ooh, it's so thick. And you can get samplers here as well of 4 different kinds, or even 8. And they do have a vegan option, which is a lime coconut. I actually don't even like clams, but let's see. Let's give this a go. Very spicy. It almost tastes like, yeah, a really rich potato soup. But it is got that little bit of a clam taste to it. But even though I don't like clams, I like this. But for those that like clams, you cannot miss this place. It's definitely nationally renowned and full of accolades. A lot of awards here. Accordion cat. Not forget these 3 Seattle icons. Okay, with all this rain in the Pacific Northwest, of course, Seattle's known for having amazing flowers. Like peonies are in now, Memorial weekends. Alright, we're going to try some olive oil here. Look at this. Wow. So the one I want to really try here is the Chardonnay roasted garlic. Oh my god. That is amazing. I just tried the Chardonnay roasted garlic. I would totally buy that. That was amazing.
Oh, yeah, because you guys don't have to put it in it.
You can see the white truffle, blood orange balsamic. So it's a combination of oils and balsamics. Gotta try this. Free sample. All right, and I'm trying some dark chocolate linguine. They just gave me a sample. Ooh, a little bit hard for my teeth. I need to cook it, but I'm sure it's good. Video me. Someone's gonna give me a sample of pear here. He doesn't want to be on video. What kind of pear?
So it's an Angelus Gold.
Angelus Gold.
Yes, ma'am. Are you from here? You visited?
I live here. Oh my god.
Very good.
Where did this come from?
All our berries are from Cali right now.
From where? California. Oh my god.
Here, you want it?
That's literally the best pear I've ever had.
Good. Yeah. How local are you?
I live in Seattle.
Okay, so you
North
live in-
Seattle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I move around a lot, but this is my base.
Okay.
Okay, so I am gonna buy one. Oh my God, you got to try the pears here. All right, and there's something you don't see everywhere: fiddlehead ferns, mushrooms, maitake, reishi. Yes, with all the rain and the rainforest, we're known for our mushrooms. All right, so here's where I'm going to get my main entree for lunch. I want to get the blackened salmon. Woo! All right, so I'm at the Market Grill, outside seating, nice here, right on Pike Place. And absolutely loving this blackened salmon. It's I asked him, he said yeah, he agreed that it's kind of like a Cajun type of spice. And especially if you like that spice with your seafood, which I do, you've got to have this. This is definitely one of the most popular things and recommended things at Pike Place Market. And so reasonable, really. I mean, this was $19.95. So far, it's been the best thing all day. I would suggest it. Pike Place Market has 10 different levels and over 500 different businesses. And I'm going to be taking you down to level 4, which has some really unique shops and memorabilia. So let's go check it out. Lower levels. Oh, I love this area. It has a magic shop.
I see you over there. Yes, you.
And the giant shoe museum and old saddle paperworks.
Your fortune is mine for the telling.
All right.
And yours for the
So
hearing.
Zoltar
Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
gave me a ticket and with my fortune, and it basically says, and I'm going to keep it. It says that I have a lot of happiness in store for me, and that happiness is never decreased by being shared. So with that said, I'm sharing happiness with you all. Thanks, Zoltar. Left Place Books. So it's fun to go. They're having me wear a mask here at Left Bank Books, but I love coming here. I mean, look at this. I don't know if I've ever been to this park. This little seat here. If I didn't have my mask on, I could smell better that whole smell of books, you know, that paper smell. Anyway, I'm gonna go look for the poetry section. Let's go check it out. Give you an idea of 3 floors. That's funny. All right, I'm ending my food tour at Pike Place Bakery with chocolate chip cannoli. It's a perfect, I love the mix of textures with the crust and then the creaminess. And of course all the flavors have melted out in your mouth. Anyway, great way to end today. Great way to end a food tour. All right, Sasquatch and I here would like to thank you for watching this video. It's been so much fun and so yummy. And I promise to be doing more videos. I'm going to be in Seattle the next month. But you can see why Pike Place Market is one of the most famous markets in the world and why you should come visit. And if you do notice in my next video that I put on some weight, don't be surprised. Bon appetit!